Hey guys, Fire120 here, back at it again. So today we're going to be playing some Animal Jam and we're going to be reading LSP Cutie. So yeah, I need to try and teleport to my friend. She's not here right now because I can't get her voice to work, so I have to voice over. Okay, so I've actually already done this recording, so yeah. It's just the voice won't work. And that's really weird. So, now I'm just waiting around for LSPTV to unlock her then, okay? I'm gonna check what party's on. Oh, it's really not available. Oh. I can't believe the horses are gone. Lucky to whoever has a horse. Okay, now, have you unlocked her then yet? Not yet. That's the animal that I used to have. It was so cheap before. So yeah, I must find out when LSP Cutie can come. Where is she? Let's just wait some more. Wait. Lady looks so fascinating. Not. Why is this taking so long? She opened it now? Oh, this could be a chance, yes! There's LSP Cutie, hey, LSP Cutie. Here she is. LSP Cutie, right here. There's going to be a yard sale, I think, because it looks like a yard sale. There's this much stuff on the ground. Thanks, good. One more. Guys, tell me in the comment section below if you think I should be able to say that, because that is just weird as. Okay, now what's going on now? I think she's gonna have a yard sale. Yard sale. What the hell? I wonder if there is going to be a yard sale because it looks very obvious that there is one. I wonder what my friend's going to get if there is one. Oh yeah, my friend just went to check on something. Oh, sorry about that sound, guys. It was my brother watching something weird. Yes, it really is a yard sale. Well, if this is a yard sale, I think I'm gonna get the couch. I'm not gonna send it yet because they're trading stuff. So if you don't like my skin, I'm getting a whole new makeover one of the next vids. So yeah. Aren't you gonna realize that I'm here? Yes! She's coming! By the way, when she goes MK, that means... okay. Okay guys, just in case you don't know. Yes, the ice chair. Exactly what I want. Oh, I guess she already has that. Dang it, she already has that too. I'm gonna let my friend get it for me. Because she's really nice and she'll let me get it. So she'll get it for me. Thanks. So guys, it's the end of the video. I couldn't stop this recording in time. So I have to say see you guys and see you next week.